Disney Cruise Lines has made a big change to their vaccination requirements, and we're going to get into all of it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, we have some breaking cruise news, and that is Disney Cruise Line has made a giant change to their vaccination policy beginning January the 13th of 2022, and that change is going to be all passengers ages 5 and above must be fully vaccinated in order to sail. So Disney Cruise Line is the first major cruise line to make this change, with the requirement that children now between the ages of 5 and 11 must be fully vaccinated in order to sail. Of course, you know, before it was 12 and above had to be fully vaccinated, and children under the age of 12, 11 and down could simply take the COVID-19 test 3 days prior to sailing and be able to board with just a negative COVID test. And that has now changed, and now that's going to be ages 4 and below can still sail on Disney Cruise Lines with just the negative COVID-19 test, but everybody ages 5 and above will have to be fully vaccinated in order to sail. Now, those that are affected after January the 13th, 2022 should have received an email from Disney Cruise Lines informing them of this change. So if you are booked with young children who are not vaccinated after January the 13th, definitely check your email to see what your options are. If for some reason not everybody in your travel party within that age range is going to be fully vaccinated. And I know that vaccinating children is a very controversial subject. Some people say they are going to vaccinate their kids. Some parents are completely against it. That is completely up to you. I am not advocating that you should or should not be vaccinated. I'm simply passing along the information as to what Disney Cruise Line is going to be doing from January 13th forward. That way, you can make an informed decision that works best for you and your family. So just a quick recap. January the 13th, 2022, Disney Cruise Lines will require 100% vaccinations for all cruise passengers ages 5 and above. So our question for the comments today is going to be, is this a good idea? Has Disney done the right thing? Or are you going to be canceling your future Disney cruises over this vaccination requirement? So let me know in the comments what you think. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick breaking cruise news video. If you have, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.